can't quit. It's gravity season. Don't forget the sugar. Come on, 3 stars. I need 3 stars.
Gentlemen, Cox's office, please hold.
So for this recipe, you would need about 4 or 3 heaping tablespoons of achar masala. You need some salt to taste to bring out the flavor actually. You need some sugar. I'm using a cup of sugar for now. I can always add more after if it's not sweet enough for me. I have garlic. This is 2 pimentos and about let's say about 10 leaves shadabeni. And here I have some boiled green mango. I chopped it up very tiny and I just boil it. And the reason why I like to do everything separately is because sometimes the mango tends to be a little too sour for me and I have to be adding too much sugar just to get the taste that I want. So I boil it separately and I just take out some of the sour out of the mango per se, and I will just keep some of the water from it just so that I wouldn't take away the entire taste of the mango, right? So I boil it in a little bit of water. Let me show you all the texture of it. So this is one here. See, it's pretty soft. The skin also. So yeah, let's get started with this sweet mango chutney recipe. It's about 4 pounds of mango. Ole, they have mango selling in the market, done cut up and everything already, so you get through. But if you have a mango tree, better for you yet. So yeah, let's get started. So I have my pot here and I'm just going to add about 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Right, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. You let the oil heat up, not smoking hot, but hot enough so that you could fry the achar masala inside. Okay, also my oil is hot and ready to go. So now I'm just going to add the achar masala. And you want to let this fry. You don't want it to burn, but you just want it to fry enough to kind of melt the grain of it. So 2 to 3 minutes and it should be good. I am going to add my fresh seasoning to fry in here as well. Remember, the measurements will be in the description below. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. You wouldn't believe it smells so good. I really hope that you guys try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section below how it came out for you, because I would really love your feedback on this recipe. I love it. Okay, let this fry up for like about a minute and then we are going to add the mango, mix everything in. So a minute has passed, so I'm just going to start adding my mango to okay, now so I added all. So what I'm going to do is just mix this. I'm using my one hand to hold the camera, so I'm just going to mix this and come back to you with the next step. Okay, so I finished mixing it in. This is how it looks. So what I'm going to do, remember I told you all I saved the liquid from when I boiled the mango. I'm just going to use less than a cup of this and a cup of plain water. I'm going to add it to this, and then I'm going to add my sugar. Okay, so I'm adding about this much of the juices, and now I'm going to add a same amount of plain water. Just give it a quick mix. Right, and now time to add your sugar. Here, this is about a cup of sugar. I'm just going to add that in. You can add more. Most likely I will be adding more sugar to mine. Maybe a cup more sugar. I'll let you know how this tastes, so I'll know how much I will add after that. But this is pretty much it, guys. This is very thick sauce. You can stretch it like people do in the roti shop when they're buying pholourie, but I like it thick like this. And let me just zoom in for you so you all can see just how delicious this looks. Okay, so I am adding a next cup of sugar. For me, it's not as sweet as I like it, so I'm going to add a next cup of sugar. I am also going to put about a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add a little bit more water and let this come to a bit of a broil, just to kind of make sure that all the sugar is dissolved well into the sauce. Okay guys, so this is it here. I will leave all the measurements in the description below. For some of you guys who don't know where that is, it's the arrow next to the title of this video. Just click on it and you'll get a drop down bar. It's right there. All the ingredients, all the measurements, everything would be there. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. Let me know in the comment section below how it came out for you, and see you in my next video.